Hello and welcome to the TutorMate Learning app. TutorMate is mapped to the CBSE board for class 8 to class 10 and CBSE and MH board for class 11 and 12. Not only that, it also has content to help you prepare for the IIT JEE and NEET entrance exams. So, from class 8 to class 12, we have you covered. Think of us as your learning buddy. Not only do we help you learn concepts through some interesting animation in our video lectures, but we also have notes for those last-minute studies, along with which we have a complete set of practice questions, test papers, and most of all, our app has a test learning guide. You see, TutorMate is not only a learning app. We help you in your learning process. We help you strengthen your core concepts in a manner that studying would never have been so much fun and easy. This is our home screen. As you can see here, chapters of each subject are shown clearly. Not only that, we have a two-way scroll option so you can quickly navigate to any chapter as you please. Okay, so let's see. What do we want to study today? How about the lecture on acids, bases and salts? Great. So let's quickly scroll to chemistry and go to acids, bases and salts. Perfect. Let's start off with watching the video lecture. Take 5 milliliter of hydrochloric acid in a test tube and add some zinc granules into it. Cork the test tube along with the delivery tube, which is dipped into a soap solution. What do we observe? As we can see, zinc granule fuses and bubbles are observed in the acid solution. These bubbles travel from the test tube to the soap solution through the delivery tube. We also notice formation of bubbles in the soap solution. Now, formation of bubbles in the soap solution shows that hydrogen gas is lighter than air. And if you bring a burning candle near to these bubbles, it will burst with a popping sound, indicating that the bubble was filled with hydrogen gas. Now let's understand what happens here chemically. I hope you like that because there are a lot more videos where that came from. If you go around the app, you can see that we have lots of videos in each chapter helping you understand each concept in detail. Great! Now let me show you our practice questions section. As you can see here in our practice section, we have a lot of options in both objective and subjective questions for you to choose from. Not only can you try and attempt the questions, but we also give the solutions to the questions for you to refer to. Now let's move on to my favorite part, the test guide. Now you must be wondering, what is a test guide? Well, let's look at it this way. You've seen the videos, you've solved the tests and the practice questions, but you still don't understand some questions or some concepts based on a few topics. You need a teacher to sit down with you and explain it to you and clear your concepts or show you how to solve the questions in a test or an exam. That's exactly what the test guide does. Let me show you. Here is the question with some calculation that I just don't understand by looking at the solution. So, let's click on the video where the question is explained. The concept and the way of solving the question has been broken down step by step to help you understand the concept. It's like what I told you earlier, that we are not only a learning app, we are your learning buddy. We help you in your learning process and help you strengthen your core concepts in a manner that studying becomes more fun and a lot more easier.